What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, y'all. So we are doing an end of the year crypto wrap up. We're gonna talk about Shiba Inu. Also, crypto is as far as like how the end of the year ended, and then how I think the beginning of the year will play out for 2023, as well as some 2023 predictions. So let's get into this, man. Salute to everybody for rocking with me throughout the year. Y'all some real ones. I know the market 2022 was a little rough for those maybe who bought in at the top, those that been in for a while now. So it depends on what you've been investing in, and also if you've been taking some profits, how you feel about 2022. That's why I always say secure some profits when you're up. Now, of course, if your investment strategy is not to secure any profits for X amount of years, then stick to that and just understand that there can be times where the market pulls back and you may wish that you would have took some profits. But as long as you're okay with not taking any profits, you understand what you're holding, then it's absolutely fine to diamond hand. Now we got overall crypto market ending out the year under $800 billion. This is important to keep track of, because we got to remember 2021 all-time high, the crypto market cap was sitting just over $3 trillion. So we're down about $2.2 trillion from all-time high, y'all. We need a lot of money to come back into the market to start to see some of those all-time high prices that we've seen. So Bitcoin right now at 16,553, Ethereum at 1196. We got BNB at 246 right now, XRP at 33 cent, Doge at 7 cent, Cardano 24 cent, Polygon 75 cent, Litecoin $70, Tron 5 cent right now, Polkadot $4.31, and Shiba Inu at the 80.89 level and holding the 15th place by market cap. And just under that, we got Uniswap at $5.16, Solana number 17th place at $9.98, and then we got Leo, Avalanche, Chainlink, Monero down there, Cosmos. But let's take a look at Shiba Inu closer on a closer level, just to take a look at some of our favorite indicators and to see what it tells us. Now you got to remember, just because we're pulling out indicators does not mean all the time it's gonna say right now is the time to buy, or right now the price is about to go crazy. So let's just interpret what the indicators are telling us. So we pulled out our Bollinger Bands, we're pulling out our relative strength index, and then we'll also grab our moving average convergence divergence, or the MACD for short. So taking a look right now on the daily chart, if we're just eyeballing things, let's make sure y'all can see this with me. Okay, we got that there. Let's get a closer look here. Zoom in one. Okay, so as we can see, the price is kind of trading sideways. Just looking at it, we see it consolidating. Usually when the price is consolidating, it means that the market is unsure. They're in agreement of where the price is right now. Once we start to see the candles get smaller and smaller, that means either side is kind of unsure on which way it should. There's not a lot of confidence in those movements. Now when we see the price trade sideways like this, usually we tend to see a breakout. It could be to the upside or the downside. It really depends on what's most likely to occur, on what the other indicators are saying. So if we can see the price consolidating, trading sideways close to our lower Bollinger Band, that tells us the price is cheap. Market is in agreement where the price is right now, but either side is indecisive on which way they want to heavily go. So we'll look at other indicators like RSI, determining if the price is overbought or oversold. Right now we know that a 70 and above is considered overbought, a 35 and below is considered oversold. So right now it's sitting at a number 40 right now, or at the 40 level, which is telling us it's closer to being oversold than it is overbought. So it still has room to go down, to pull back just a little bit further. Our lower Bollinger Band tells us that the price could pull back to that 779 level right now. The current price is at that 8092 level. And also if we look at our RSI, the furthest levels we see it pulling back around December 16th, and also around November 9th, is to that 31 level. So that does tell us that it could pull back a little bit more. RSI also on December 28th was around 34. So whenever we see these levels get close to oversold, we know that likely buyers are looking to step in, or short-term traders, people that are looking to buy low and sell high. So you can either look for those areas to jump in with those investors and trade with them, or you can just use those areas to accumulate more. Now, also we got the MACD right at that signal line, you know, showing us once it's ready to cross. Let's see, we can see it slightly. So it did slightly cross above it just here, which gave us a little volume. It did have some buyers step in right here, but they weren't too confident. You know, we're waiting for some catalyst, whether it's a good one, you know, or a bad one. That's what's going to move the market. Right now, the price is, nothing is happening, so the price won't really, you know, change. Remember, you know, these markets are a device to transfer money from the hands of the impatient to the patient. So you don't want to be one of the impatient investors, because most likely you'll be giving money to somebody who's more patient than you. So, you know, always be wise. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. Dollar cost average, you know, and just, you know, be confident in what you invest. And you do that by doing your due diligence before you invest. So, 2022 was a rough year. We've seen the prices come down from 2021, about November, December. Ever since then, the prices have been, you know, going lower and lower. We called this, though, if y'all were, you know, following my channel, and you know, after the bull market around, you know, October, September, just in that fall time, maybe early winter time, you know, I was calling that it appeared that Bitcoin would be coming down to around, you know, this level, what we're seeing. You know, I even said we could see possibly a $13,000 level. So maybe we haven't seen all the pain that we could potentially see that's on the horizon, because the Federal Reserve is telling us that there's still likely to be more pain in the markets for 2023. Also, I believe interest rates will not be increased, but I mean, they will be increased, but the rate will not be increased. So we still got more interest rates hikes on the horizon that we got to account for. Still, you know, war taking place in different parts of the world. We still seeing supply chain shortages. You know, real estate market is going down. You know, a lot of the asset markets are, you know, feeling this as well. So it's not just the crypto space. Stock market, you know, is down. A lot of different, you know, assets that were extremely high, like Tesla, are, you know, down around, you know, 50, 60, 70% from their all-time highs. So everybody is feeling it right now, but this is also a time to accumulate. This is also a time to take advantage of the cheap discounts in the market right now. I know it may not feel like it if you're new, it's your first time going around the block, but this is the time where millionaires are made, because the people that continue to create different bags, load up, when the price breaks out, you see something wild happen. And you know, we've been there several times. If you've been rocking with the channel, you hopefully got to experience one of those times. If not, your time is coming. You just got to stay down for the come up. 2023 early, I predict the markets to be painful. I don't expect a super you know, breakout early, just right after January, tomorrow, or you know, the first week or anything like that. I think that could possibly lead into maybe mid-February. If we're going to see some type of mini bull rally, that might come around mid-February, end of March, possibly, mid-February, in that March range. I'm expecting to possibly see the markets get bored with, you know, being, you know, down in this level, and investors eventually say, okay, you know, we felt all the pain we're going to feel. Now let's start putting some money back into these markets. So keep some dry powder, you know, to the side, so that way you can have money available in case prices do pull back further. Don't just put everything in right now. Be prepared for prices to pull back further, and if they do, then you can decide if you want to take advantage of that. Now, I expect the end of 2023 to be more bullish than the beginning had, because we're going into 2024. You know, that Bitcoin halving coming up in 2024. Also, you know, I think it'll give enough time for the FTX, Terra Luna, Dogecoin, SBF situation to kind of fade away a little bit as well. But I'm still bullish nonetheless. So hopefully y'all had a very good new year. Hopefully you have an even better 2023. You know, remember, 2023 is a time to improve yourself. If you haven't, even if you have, you know, learn more, read more, educate yourself, take time to, you know, figure out, you know, different avenues inside of investments. You know, crypto should only be one avenue. If you want to do 100% crypto, that's up to you. Can't tell you what to do. This is not financial advice, more like financial education, financial entertainment, whatever you want to call it, but it's not financial advice. But, you know, learn stock options, learn, you know, stocks, learn, you know, about some real estate, you know, figure out different asset classes you can be investing in as well. So that's all we got for this video. We don't got too much going on from the official SHIB team. I already checked the pages today. I believe we just got a couple happy New Year's, but that's pretty much it, man. Check the links in the description section of this video. Again, salute to all the real ones for rocking with me. If you're interested in learning how to trade stock options, reach out to me via email, DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, to get my stock options trading course. You can learn how to make money in the markets Monday through Friday, whether or not the stock price is going up or down. You can still have the opportunity to make money. So if you see the markets or 2023 being bearish, then you want to learn how to use those put options. So that's all we got for this video. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram @DecemberDeMarco. Watch out for the scammers, and we are out. Hey, salute again, man.